Welcome to the guide of the visual novel template that I made. We will start with the rooms. This is the base, then you add the ones that interest you. The room title is very simple and basic. It has a button for start, another for load and another for exit. It's connected to the O_title object, which has the base of what is displayed. You can remove it and just load the image you want to put as a background with a cool title and all that. This is for display. Pressing the start button will start the game. Fade. Go to the next room and return from the fade. Once in the next room, we have the classic buttons of visual novels, the one to return to the title screen, the load, save, and most importantly, the log. The backlog contains all the history that has already been read. Every time a dialogue is read, it will go there. If you want to use this template to make another type of game, the backlog can serve as a journal to remember what we were doing when we left the game. We move on to the object that controls the scene. The O_scene is better not to touch if you still don't know much about what the programming is about. It controls the one that returns from the black fade when the scene starts and loads the first conversation. The other object in the room is the O_story. It is where all the dialogues of the story will be. As you can see, it is set as speaking character, text, space. This way you will follow a consistent order that is easy to fill out. Now we go with what can be edited. The visual part is the first thing you will want to change. The backgrounds and characters are the easiest to change. The characters are seen in the O_array_text object in the edit_conversations folder. Just drag your character image, if possible, uses the same sizes of the template, to where the original is. Choosing from frame the state of the character. The interface is also in template mode. In the text box, entering edit, the second frame has a layer with the place used by the texts and buttons. So you can create your own version there and put it as the main frame. The button sprite has 3 states: normal, mouse enter, and pressed. I advise leaving the texts in case at any time you want to change the name of the buttons or put them in more languages. In addition, the texts appear in the center. If you make them longer or wider, the text will always be centered. In the objects, where it says edit_images, you can do as with the O_title, change the images with text for your own image. In effects, the object that activates the fade is included. It contains fade to black and fade from black. You can change images when it is black using an alarm with time 100, so when it dissolves, the new images will appear. Let's make an example of a conversation by adding one more dialogue to the story. In edit_conversation we will click on O_array_text and O_story. In O_story we will add the new line, name of the speaking character, text and space. Then, in O_array_text we will copy and paste inside draw the little green box of if variable MSG equal to the new one we will put equal 3. In the first draw sprite we will put the image of the character and the frame that corresponds to the state of the sentence. Then we go down to the big box and we will change the number between corresponding. In this case, 7 is the previous text, the new one is 10, so where there is 7 you have to put 10. In the case of 6, which is the name, 9 will be put. Finally, in the array_copy, at the end put an 8, because it will be changed to 11. They are always added 3 at a time in the order we gave: character, text, space. We already have a new line of dialogue. I hope this helps those who start and do not understand well how GML programming works. With these examples you will already have an easy-to-edit base to create not only visual novel but also conversations in other games. Luck.